Um, what happens now? Hi, freaks. Let's kick off Jaime's outfits for season 3. Oh, this is very uninspiring. I'm not excited by this one at all. I don't understand anything about it. Like, there's sort of a flower theme, but like those flowers are really different. They don't go together. The shoes don't make any sense. We've got like pink and red in the top and the pants, and then like a different pink and red in the earrings. Like, what is even going on? This might be one of the worst outfits Jaime has concocted. It's a shame too because all of these pieces are great on their own, but like, why? Why? Also, fun fact, this just looked like a shirt in the picture. Oh no, that would make too much sense. It's a cardigan. What? Am I supposed to like button them together? Is this what you had in mind, Jaime? Makes about as much sense as anything else about this outfit. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna even preserve the original idea, or because like I don't know what the original idea even is. I'm probably gonna need to just find something about it to keep and then make something pretty different because this is really atrocious. Actually, just taking off that shirt helped a ton. Okay, we can do this. Okay, just for fun, because Jaime inspired me, I thought, what if we did button 2 different shirts together? It's a little bumpy, but let's try it. Okay, well, besides the uneven hem, I don't think it's that bad. And yes, one has a sleeve and one doesn't, but it's asymmetrical, so it's fine. Um, what happens now? Well, I'm not very good at directions, and I may have attempted something that violates the laws of physics, but we won't dwell on that. Um, let me try it backwards so that I can like see what I'm doing. Well, since one has a sleeve and one doesn't, I just pulled the sleeve through the other sleeve hole, and just a second. Just gonna clip that together like so. It's avant-garde, don't worry about it. Alright, I tied this in a knot since they were uneven hems, just the way I would do if it was in the front. And then in the front, I don't like that red hanging down, so I think I'm just gonna tuck this in. There, that looks right. Next, I think I'm gonna take off these earrings because they're just kind of fun, and then the shirt is already fun. This seems fine. I feel like this brown flower is a bit much, so I'm hoping this pink clip can be a happy medium between this flower and the earrings that I just took off. That's much better, don't you think? I feel like I should roll up the pants. I'm gonna make my case, alright? The top is kind of flowy, like a kimono sort of vibe, which makes the sandals make more sense now because they're sort of a Japanese look. And then the 3/4 length sleeve kind of ties in with the pants rolled up, so it's casual. And there are a lot of elements of this outfit that make sense. So I stand by it. Honestly, I think we're done. It's not often that my outfit ends up being crazier than Jaime's, but I honestly like it better. The question is, where would I wear this? I would wear this to preschool if the teacher said, "Okay, it's time for painting. Put on your smock." And then I like accidentally grabbed two of them and they got all mixed up and I don't know how to put things on because I'm 4. Yeah, I'm ready to make some art. I think I did just make some art. I don't know. Anyway, would you wear this and where would you wear this? And who do you think won? Me or Jaime? All right, thanks for watching.